Dive into the future with Google Gemini, a groundbreaking generative AI platform unlocking the potential of multimodal intelligence. Welcome back, dear viewers, to another exciting exploration on our channel. Today we dive into the realm of groundbreaking technology with Google's latest creation, Gemini. Developed by the geniuses at Google's AI research labs DeepMind and Google Research, Gemini is set to redefine the landscape of generative AI. In this extensive guide, we'll unravel the mysteries surrounding Gemini, from its inception to its current capabilities and future promises. So without any further delay, let's start. What is Gemini? Gemini stands at the forefront of Google's cutting-edge generative AI models crafted by DeepMind and Google Research. This innovative model family comprises three distinct members: Gemini Ultra, the flagship model, Gemini Pro, a publicly available version, and Gemini Nano, a compact model optimized for mobile devices. What sets Gemini apart is its natively multimodal design, enabling it to seamlessly process diverse data types, including text, audio, images, and videos. Unlike its predecessors, Gemini breaks free from the limitations of text-only training, showcasing improved versatility. Despite promises of groundbreaking capabilities, Gemini's true potential awaits broader release, leaving us eager to witness its evolution and impact across various applications. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers of Google's Gemini, a promising leap into the realm of advanced generative AI. Bard versus Gemini. Navigating the realm of Google's AI offerings can be perplexing, especially when distinguishing between Bard and Gemini. While Bard serves as an interface, akin to an app, allowing access to certain Gemini models, Gemini itself stands as a family of advanced generative AI models developed by DeepMind and Google Research. Unlike Bard, Gemini is not a standalone experience, but a collection of models designed for diverse applications. The distinction becomes crucial in understanding their roles, akin to how OpenAI's ChatGPT is to Bard and GPT 3.5 or 4 is to Gemini. Additionally, it's important to note that Gemini operates independently of Imagen 2, further emphasizing the multifaceted landscape of Google's evolving AI ecosystem. Unraveling this complexity promises a deeper appreciation for the nuanced interplay between Bard and the expansive potential embedded within the Gemini model family. Capabilities of Gemini. The capabilities of Google's Gemini models herald a new era in generative AI, marked by their natively multimodal prowess. Trained extensively by DeepMind and Google Research, Gemini Ultra, Pro, and Nano exhibit versatility beyond text-only models. While the specifics are still unfolding, the promise extends to transcribing speech, captioning images and videos, generating artwork, and aiding in complex tasks like physics homework. Gemini Ultra, the foundation model, holds potential for groundbreaking applications, including identifying relevant scientific papers and updating charts with fresh data. Despite its limited current form, Google foresees broader applications, pushing the boundaries of what generative AI can achieve across diverse modalities. As Gemini evolves, its anticipated capabilities invite us to envision a future where AI seamlessly integrates with various facets of our digital experiences. Gemini Ultra, the foundation model. Meet Gemini Ultra, the bedrock of Google's generative AI evolution. As the flagship model, it lays the groundwork for the entire Gemini family. Although currently accessible to a select set of users, it promises groundbreaking applications. Demonstrating prowess in physics homework and scientific paper analysis, Gemini Ultra stands as a beacon of problem-solving sophistication. Google envisions its role in identifying relevant papers, extracting data, and updating charts with unparalleled precision. While still in its early stages, the imminent broader release holds the promise of unleashing Gemini Ultra's full potential across a myriad of tasks, heralding a new era in AI capabilities. Gemini Pro, publicly available powerhouse. Gemini Pro, a prominent player in Google's generative AI lineup, emerges as the publicly accessible powerhouse within the Gemini model family. Unlike its flagship counterpart, Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro is available to the wider audience. Positioned as an improvement over its predecessor LaMDA, Gemini Pro showcases enhanced reasoning and planning capabilities. Publicly accessible via Bard, Vertex AI, and AI Studio, Gemini Pro stands as a versatile tool. However, challenges such as inaccuracies and complex tasks persist. With plans to integrate it into custom-built voice agents and search summarization, Gemini Pro opens doors to diverse applications, promising a multifaceted AI experience for users and developers alike. Gemini Nano, power in your pocket. Experience AI like never before with Gemini Nano, the compact powerhouse designed to fit in your pocket. A smaller iteration within Google's generative AI platform, Gemini Nano brings efficiency directly to your mobile device, starting with the Pixel 8 Pro. This on-the-go model powers features like Summarize in Recorder and Smart Reply in Gboard, enhancing convenience and privacy. From transcribing audio snippets to suggesting responses in messaging apps, Gemini Nano unleashes the potential of AI in the palm of your hand. As it evolves, anticipate its expansion to various devices, offering users a seamless and portable AI experience. Gemini versus OpenAI's GPT-4. In the arena of advanced AI, the clash between Google's Gemini and OpenAI's GPT-4 takes center stage. Google claims Gemini's superiority, boasting benchmark results that surpass GPT-4 in 30 of 32 widely used academic benchmarks. However, early impressions reveal nuances. Gemini Pro encounters challenges like factual errors and translation hiccups. The quest for AI dominance hinges not just on benchmarks, but user experience and practical applications. While Google envisions Gemini's ascendancy, the true showdown awaits the broader release of Gemini Ultra. As the rivalry unfolds, the verdict on whether Gemini truly outshines GPT-4 will be determined by real-world performance and user satisfaction. Cost of Gemini. Unlocking the potential of Google's Gemini Pro comes with a pricing structure that reflects its advanced capabilities. Currently free in platforms like Bard, AI Studio, and Vertex AI during its preview phase, Gemini Pro will adopt a pricing model once it exits preview in Vertex. Priced at $0.0025 per character for input and $0.00005 per character for output. Developers using Gemini Pro will pay based on characters processed. Whether it's summarizing an article or generating content, this pricing model, while introducing a cost, aligns with the flexibility and power that Gemini Pro brings to AI development. As we venture into a new era of generative AI, understanding the cost of unlocking Gemini's potential adds a crucial dimension to its adoption. Where to try Gemini? Embark on your journey with Google's Gemini and explore its capabilities across various platforms. Gemini Pro, the publicly available gem, awaits discovery in Bard, providing users with a glimpse into its advanced reasoning and planning capabilities. For developers and AI enthusiasts, Vertex AI opens the door to Gemini Pro's transformative potential through an API, free within limits during the preview. Additionally, AI Studio offers a space for developers to fine-tune and craft Gemini-based chatbots, bringing forth customized AI experiences. As the reach of Gemini expands, Duet AI for developers and other Google tools are set to integrate Gemini models, promising a seamless and enriched experience for creators and users alike. Stay ahead and try Gemini where innovation meets interaction. In conclusion, Google's Gemini emerges as a promising leap in generative AI, albeit with some uncertainties. As Gemini continues to evolve and Google addresses user concerns, we'll be here to keep you updated. Stay tuned for more on this exciting journey into the future of artificial intelligence. If exploring the limitless possibilities of Google Gemini has sparked your curiosity, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology.